Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a quiz content for your social media in Canva apps. So in here, I've already opened the Canva apps on my phone, and to start creating a quiz, you can just first search for a quiz template from Canva. So click on this search column at the top and type in quiz, enter. So Canva will provide you with lots of quiz options in different sizes. So you can just choose which one. For example, this one is for your Instagram story or maybe TikTok story. This one is for Facebook or Instagram post. So just choose which one that you want to use. For example, I'm going to use for an Instagram story. So just click on the templates that you want to use. Okay, so here I'm going to delete this from the template and I'm going to change the question. For example, how many hours, how many minutes are in okay, 1.5 hours. Okay, here you can type in the, for example, the answer option. Just write it in here. And this one is, for example, okay, and after that, here you can also change. For example, you want to change the background, just click on color at the bottom and change it into your brand, for example, color like this. And after that, when you are done, just click on the arrow down or arrow up to select the file tab and download it on your gallery. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.